Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with clean, slightly damp skin because moisture locks in better. Splash water and pat dry. Next, if your skin feels tight, spritz toner or a hydrating mist to boost absorption. Take a pea-sized amount of Faces Canada Moisturizer on your fingertips. This conserves product and avoids buildup. Using upward, outward strokes, apply to cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin. Once done, lightly press with palms to help penetration. Make sure to avoid tugging around the eyes while spreading evenly. After the initial spread, you adjust layers based on oiliness. Put a thinner coat on the T-zone and a slightly thicker amount where skin is dry to balance hydration. Use your ring finger for the under eye area and dab gently. This finger applies the least pressure and prevents stretching. Once you've covered all zones, wait 1 to 2 minutes to let the moisturizer settle. This prevents pilling when you follow with sunscreen or makeup. Also, make sure to blend well at the jawline and neck for seamless coverage. To finish, always apply broad-spectrum SPF during the day to protect hydrated skin. At night, wait a few minutes before layering active treatments like retinol to reduce irritation. If you notice pilling, you're likely using too much or layering too quickly. Use a smaller amount and give it time to absorb between steps. If your skin reacts or the product changes smell or texture, stop use and check storage. Keep the jar in a cool, dry place and replace if it degrades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.